Greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me out in the woods today. Project Rasty, the official introduction. Now, you've seen Project Rasty in a couple of brief videos. You saw it when I did the transmission cooler. Oh boy, look at the sun come out. How nice. Now, I have decided to name a project. I never named a project before, but this is Project Rasty. Rasty because rusty and nasty. Underneath of this truck is really gross. The body mounts are rusted away. I've done about 8 frame repairs on it right now, and I can still stick my hand clear through the frame in a couple of different places. This was such a nice truck. It was so well loved and well cared for in its previous life. I am super happy to have it. Now, I wanted to introduce you officially to Project Rasty in its stock form. I'm out today wheeling for the first time with aired down tires. It's really muddy and wet out, having a lot of fun. Project Rasty started out as a $500 truck. I've sold some things, including registration and insurance. I had $409 in it. Sold something else, and now I've got $392 in it. This is my $392 rusty ass 4runner. Now, I love this truck. It's rough. It's wheelin', and wheelin' is what it loves to do. These are great four-wheel drive off-road platform type vehicles. Or more, what I meant to say is this is a great platform for an off-road vehicle. Now, this vehicle has suffered quite a bit since I got it. The body suffered a little damage. It's spent a lot of time out here in the woods having fun at my secret test facility, which is perfectly fine. I love a 3rd gen 4runner as an off-road platform. And what better way to have great fun while you're wheeling than with an all-stock truck? Started out on some bald street tires and improved from there. This is the first time I've wheeled it aired down. And, yeah, a Lincoln locker might be the next thing in its future. I don't know. You'll get to follow along as I go. There's been a few things I've gone over on it already. Like I say, the truck was really well cared for. The maintenance has all been done. It's a nice truck, but it's really rusty and really nasty underneath. So I'm going to see how long I can keep this thing going, how long it'll live. Sadly, I slid down a hill out here in the woods and smashed the hatch and broke the glass. So a new hatch is in the works for it if I come across one. You'll see this truck progress as a wheeler and a street-driven truck. I still want to do a few things to it. You'll see it all as it happens here on my channel. So thanks for listening for a minute as I introduced my first named project, Project Rasty. I'm really excited to have it. I can't wait to show you some more wheeling videos of it. I can't wait to take it places and do fun things with it. And I want to try to keep it on the road too as long as I can. So, enough about all that. Thanks for joining me out in the woods today. Got to go look for Oswald. He's out here somewhere. Wanted to introduce the first project I've named. Sure do appreciate you watching my show. Please like if you like my show. Subscribe if you want to see more. Leave comments, check links, click bells, things like that. I sure do appreciate you. Thanks for joining me out here today. Have a super great day.